just came to say hello.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. So I have attempted heart box number 2. I was watching Marie this morning and wrapping, and I really love the way that she wrapped it. I fought with that wrapping paper on box number 1. So on this one I decided to use the color foam board, and I used the red foam board to create this heart box. This one is a Bath & Body Works, Meet Me in Miami, shower gel and lotion. I also included a loofah as well as the white bathrobe, box of candy. And then I used the lip color and liner gloss. I also put a journal in here with a pen and a compact mirror, as well as our bath bombs down at the bottom there. I think that this turned out beautifully. I really like this one. It was a lot easier simply because I didn't have to wrap it. I will do some more and I will have to wrap those. So I'll be going back to watch Marie wrap those again. But I did have fun making these heart boxes. So this is number 2. Tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, y'all, be a blessing.